Hi children, now we are going to discuss question number 19. If cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha that is equal to minus 3 by 2, then prove that cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0. So first I am going to take that given cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma the whole square formula I am going to take. So this is in the form of what? A plus b plus c the whole square. Already know the formula a plus b plus c the whole square, that is equal to what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So now here a square value cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 into alpha beta. So ab ன்னு சொல்லும்போது cos alpha cos beta plus bc சொல்லும்போது cos beta cos gamma plus ca சொல்லும்போது cos gamma cos alpha. So that is equation number 1. The next I am going to take sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma the whole square. So now what's the formula? Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus 2 into sin alpha sin beta plus sin beta sin gamma plus sin gamma sin alpha. So this is equation number 2. Now I am going to add these two equations. We'll get the left hand side cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma the whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma the whole square. So that is equal to, here I am going to add these two. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square beta plus sin square beta plus cos square gamma plus sin square gamma plus 2 is common term. So now cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta I am going to add this. So cos beta cos gamma plus sin beta sin gamma. So this is one. Next cos gamma cos alpha plus sin gamma sin alpha. So this is the So now we know that the formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta that is equal to what? 1, and cos square beta plus cos square sin square beta that is equal to what? 1. Cos square gamma plus sin square gamma that is equal to what? 1 plus 2 into. So this is in the form of what? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b that is equal to cos a minus b. So now here cos alpha minus beta. This is what? Cos beta minus gamma. This is what? Cos gamma minus alpha. So now the given value already cos alpha minus beta plus cos beta minus gamma plus cos gamma minus alpha that is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2. This value I am going to substitute here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 into this value what? Minus 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 3 minus 3 that is equal to what? 0. So the left hand side what? Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma the whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma the whole square. So now இதிலிருந்து என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma and sin alpha plus sin beta sin gamma that is equal to what? 0. So here we conclude cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma that is equal to what? 0, and sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma that is also 0. So this is the answer for this sum. Clear? Okay, thank you. Hi children, now question number 20. Show that the first subdivision tan 45 plus a is equal to 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. The second one tan 45 minus a that is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. So first I am going to take first subdivision LHS tan 45 plus a that is equal to, this is in the form of what? Tan a plus b. So formula tan a plus tan b the whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here a equal to 45 and b is equal to what? A. So tan 45 plus tan a the whole divided by 1 minus tan 45 tan a. So already know tan 45 value 1, so, plus tan a the whole divided by 1 minus tan 45 value 1 into tan a. So 1 plus tan a by 1 minus tan a. So that is what our proof in the first subdivision. Next I am going to take the second subdivision tan 45 minus a that is equal to what? 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a. We have to prove that. So first I am going to take that LHS. So tan 45 minus a that is equal to what? Tan 45 minus tan a by 1 plus tan 45 tan a. So this is in the form of what? So tan a minus b. So tan a minus b that is equal to tan a minus tan b the whole divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So that's what I am going to substitute tan 45 value 1 minus tan a the whole divided by 1 plus tan 45 value 1 into tan a. So 1 minus tan a by 1 plus tan a, that is our second proof. Clear? So from 1 and 2 we compare the LHS is equal to what? RHS. So thank you children. Now we are going to discuss question number 21. Prove that cot a plus b is equal to cot a cot b minus 1 the whole divided by cot A plus cot B. So first I'm going to take LHS cot A plus B is equal to 1 by tan A plus B, because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan A plus B value, already know the formula. Tan A plus B is equal to what? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this I'm going to take numerator, will get 1 minus tan A by 1 minus tan A tan B the whole divided by tan A plus tan B. So now I'm going to divide tan A tan B in every element. So what will get? Every time I am going to divide by tan A tan B. So 1 divided by tan A tan B minus tan A tan B the whole divided by tan A tan B, whole divided by tan A by tan A tan B plus tan B by tan A tan B. So that's, so here tan A tan B and tan A tan B get cancelled. So 1 divided by tan A tan B minus 1 the whole divided by here tan A and tan A get cancelled. So 1 divided by tan B plus here 1 divided by tan A. So now already know 1 by tan is equal to what? Cot. So 1 by tan A tan B, that is equal to what? Cot A cot B minus 1 the whole divided by 1 by tan B is equal to what? Cot B, and 1 by tan B is equal to what? Cot A. So now we have to arrange this cot A cot B minus 1 the whole divided by cot A plus cot B. So this is what? Our LHS, RHS. So this is the answer for this. Clear? Now we are going to discuss question number 22. If tan x is equal to n divided by n plus 1 and tan y is equal to 1 by 2n plus 1, find tan x plus y. So now the formula tan x plus y, that is equal to what? Tan x plus tan y the whole divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. So now tan x value, what is tan x value? N divided by n plus 1. So n divided by n plus 1, tan y value 1 divided by 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 1 minus tan x value n divided by n plus 1 and tan y value 1 divided by 2n plus 1. So now I am going to take LCM n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So what will get? N into 2n plus 1 plus 1 into n plus 1 the whole divided by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 the whole divided by, here I am going to take n plus 1, this term I am going to multiply here. So n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus n into 1 n the whole divided by n plus 1 2n plus 1. So the denominator, this denominator get cancelled. So we have to multiply this n inside, will get 2n into n 2n square plus 1 into n n, next n plus 1 the whole divided by n into 2n 2n square, n into 1 plus n, next 1 into 2n 2n, 1 into n 1 into 1 1 minus n. So totally we get 2n square plus n plus n 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 2n square, here plus n and minus n get cancelled. So 2n square plus 2n plus 1. So totally we have 2n square plus 2n plus 1 the whole divided by 2n square plus 2n plus 1. So the numerator and denominator is common term, so get cancelled. So what will get? The answer is what? 1. So tan x plus y, that is equal to what? 1. So 1 is the answer for this sum. Clear? Now we are going to discuss question number 23. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta is equal to what? 1. So now I am going to take LHS tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta. So this is in the form of what? Tan of a plus b. This also tan of a plus b formula. So tan a plus b formula, that is equal to tan a plus tan b the whole divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here tan a value pi by 4 plus tan b value theta. So tan pi by 4 plus tan theta the whole divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Here tan 3 pi by 4 plus tan theta the whole divided by 1 minus tan 3 pi by 4 into tan theta, because tan a plus b is equal to what? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So now tan pi by 4, that is equal to what? 1. So 1 plus tan theta the whole divided by 1 minus this value 1 into tan theta tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan 3 pi by 4 value. 3 pi by 4 means what? Tan 3 into 45. So tan 3 pi by 4, that is equal to tan 3 into 45. So 3 5s are 15, 5, 3 4s are 12, 135. So tan 135 degree. Tan 135 we can write. So how? Tan 90 sir or 180. 90 would use பண்ணலாம். So tan 90 plus 45. So 90 plus theta. So cot theta, so cot 45 degree. So already know, so tan 90 plus theta in second quadrant sine and cosecant alone positive, tan 90 plus 45, that is equal to minus cot 45. So minus cot 45 value 1, so that is tan 3 by 4 is equal to what? Minus 1. So this value I am going to substitute here. So minus 1 plus tan theta the whole divided by 1 minus tan 3 by 4 value minus 1 into tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into this is I am going to write tan theta minus 1 the whole divided by 1 minus what plus tan theta. So 1 plus tan theta and 1 plus theta get cancelled. So tan theta minus 1 the whole divided by 1 minus tan theta. So now I am going to take numerator minus outside. So it will be changed minus of 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus 1 minus tan theta. So 1 minus tan theta and 1 minus tan theta get cancelled. So one time. So minus 1 is the answer for this sum. So that is our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Hi. Now we are going to discuss question number 24. Find the value of tan alpha plus beta given that cot alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and alpha belongs to pi comma 3 pi by 2. It means what? That's third quadrant. Pi into the 180, 3 pi by 2 into the 270. So 180 and 370 நடுவில் என்ன இருக்கணும்? alpha இருக்கணும். So alpha வந்து cos alpha must be எப்படி இருக்கணும்? 180 to 270ல tan theta and cot theta alone positive. So cos sin எல்லாம் நெகட்டிவாக தான் இருக்கும். Okay. And the secant beta is equal to minus 5 by 3. Beta belongs to pi by 2 comma pi. So pi by 2 to pi ன்னு சொல்லும்போது second quadrantல cos theta, sin theta and cosecant theta alone positive. So others are negative. So cot alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha belongs to pi by comma 3 pi by 2. Next tan alpha சொல்லும்போது 1 by cot alpha. So the reciprocal of cot alpha that is equal to what? 2. So tan alpha is equal to 2. So 2 என்றது which is pi comma 3 pi by 2 என்றது which quadrant? Third quadrantல cot and tan all positive. So 2 is the answer. The next secant beta is equal to minus 5 pi by 3. Secant beta is equal to minus 5 by 3. Beta எதில் இருக்கணும்? second quadrant. pi by 2 comma piக்கு நடுவில் இருக்கணும். So secant வந்துட்டு பார்த்தோன்னா நெகட்டிவாக இருக்குது. ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து tan beta வேணும். So because tan alpha plus beta is equal to what's the formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. இதனால் இப்போ நமக்கு tan alpha தெரியும், tan beta மட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த secant beta யூஸ் பண்ணி நான் tan beta ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ tan beta is equal to already know the formula square root of secant square beta minus 1. So square root of secant beta value minus 5 by 3 the whole square minus 1. So square root of 25 by 9 minus 1. Square root of 25 minus 9 the whole divided by 9. 25 minus 9 that is equal to what? 16. So square root of 16 by 9. So taking square root will get 4 plus or minus. So plus or minus 4 by 3. So the beta is which quadrant? Second quadrant sin and cosecant alone positive. So tan beta is negative. இங்கே ரெண்டு வேல்யூ இருக்கும், பாசிட்டிவ் நெகட்டிவ் இருக்கும், ப்ளஸ் ஆர் மைனஸ் இருக்கும். யூ டேக் நெகட்டிவ் அவ்வளோ. ஸோ tan beta is equal to minus 4 by 3. So that beta belongs to what? Pi by 2 comma pi குள்ள இருக்கணும். So tan alpha value 2 and tan beta value minus 4 by 3. So now tan alpha plus beta is equal to what? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha value already know tan alpha is equal to what? 2. Tan alpha is equal to 2. So 2 minus 4 by 3 the whole divided by 1 minus இங்கே அப்ளை பண்ணணும் நமக்கு தெரியும். So that is equal to 2 minus 4 by 3 the whole divided by 1 minus 2 into 4 by 3. So now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 minus 4 the whole divided by 3. 6 minus 4 the whole divided by 3. Whole divided by இங்கே LCM எடுக்கும்போது 3 1s are 3 minus 2 4s are 8. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து ப்ளஸ் தான் இருக்கும் ஃபார்முலாவில். ஸோ ஹியர் மைனஸ் சாரி tan beta வேல்யூ minus 4 by 3. ஸோ இங்கே minus 4 by 3 இருக்கும். ஸோ மைனஸ் இந்த இங்கே வந்து ஃபார்முலாவில் மைனஸ் இருக்குது, இங்கே minus 4 by 3. மைனஸ் மைனஸ் வாட் ப்ளஸ் So 3 plus 8 the whole divided by 3. So 6 minus 4 the whole divided by 3. அதே மாதிரி 3 plus 8 the whole divided by 3. So 6 minus 4 that is equal to what? 2. 3 get cancel. So 3 plus 8 that is equal to what? 11. So the answer is 2 by 11. ஸோ இந்த ஆன்சரை நான் மறுபடியும் வந்துட்டு இங்கே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன், கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ tan alpha value 2 minus tan beta value minus 4 by 3 by 1 minus tan alpha value 2 into minus 4 by 3. ஸோ 4 by 3 that is equal to இதை கிராஸ் பண்ணும்போது 6 minus 4 the whole divided by 3 minus divided by 3 ones are 3 minus and minus what plus 2 fours are 8 the whole divided by 3. So 3 get cancel. So 6 minus 4 that is equal to 2. 3 plus 8 is equal to what? 11. So the answer is what? 2 by 11. Clear? Now we are going to see question number 25. If theta plus pi is equal to alpha and tan theta is equal to k tan pi, then prove that sin of theta minus pi is equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 sin alpha. Given the condition pi plus theta plus pi is equal to alpha and tan theta is equal to k tan pi. So now here k is equal to this tan pi, I am going to take this side. So tan theta by tan pi. So now the condition is what? The RHS. So k minus 1 by k plus 1 I am going to take. So k value tan theta by tan pi minus 1 the whole divided by k value tan theta by tan pi plus 1. So now I am going to take this cross multiplication. So tan theta minus tan pi the whole divided by tan pi. Here tan theta plus tan phi the whole divided by tan phi. So tan phi and tan phi get cancelled. So tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta minus tan phi we can write sin phi by cos phi the whole divided by this tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus this tan phi is equal to sin phi by cos phi. So now I am going to take this cross multiplication. So sin theta cos phi minus cos theta sin phi the whole divided by cos theta cos phi divided by the whole divided by, here I am going to take cross multiplication. So sin theta cos phi minus plus cos theta sin phi the whole divided by cos theta sin cos phi. So this cos theta cos phi and this cos theta cos phi get cancelled. So this is in the form of what? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b that is equal to sin a minus b. So here a value theta and b value phi. So sin theta minus phi the whole divided by this is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b that is equal to sin a plus b. So sin theta plus phi. So already you know the given condition theta plus phi is equal to what? Alpha. So here I am going to substitute theta plus phi is equal to what? Alpha. So what will get? Cos k minus 1 by k plus 1 that is equal to sin of theta minus phi the whole divided by sin alpha. So this sin alpha I am going to take left hand side, will get, so sin theta minus phi is equal to k minus 1 by k plus 1 into sin alpha. So this is the answer for this. Clear?